All right, YouTube peeps, we are on Q36. We're looking at Monday. We're going to do the subtraction problem here, 3-digit minus 3-digit. We're going to do a 3-digit plus 3-digit strategy. We're going to be looking at an area problem and a fraction. Find the difference between 309 and 132. So this is the number line strategy. It was 309 minus 132. Now for here, you can use the addition. You're going to start at 132 and add your way up to 309. Okay? I would choose 8 because that takes you to a nice friendly number like 140. 140 plus 60 is 200. Okay, we should know 140 plus 60 gets us to a multiple of 100. Okay, from here we can add 100 because that takes us to 300. We need to get to 309, then we can add a 9. All right, 9 and 8 is 17. Should be able to do that pretty fast in your head. Okay, 160 is 160. 160 plus 17, 177. See how I did that? Using addition, number line strategy. 156 plus 149. Here's a strategy that we haven't really done in a while. I guess it would be considered the place value strategy. Is we're going to match up the 100s places. See, 156, 149. What's 1 plus 1? We have 200, right? Because we're adding up the hundreds place. 5 and 4 is 90, because that's the tens place. 6 and 9, 15. 90 plus 15, right? If you think of 15 as 10 plus 5, you take the 10, add it to 90. So in your head, you see 15 as 10 plus 5. So in your mind, real quick, you take the 10, add it to 90, that gets 100, 105, because we have the 5 left over. 105 plus 200, you should be able to do that in your head at this point, 305. Right, so that's another strategy that you could be using for addition. The living room has an area of 100 square feet. The family room is 8 by 12, which is larger. All right, draw a picture. We can put a L here for the living room, and we can put a F for the family room. Just be organized with your drawings. The living room, it already says, is 100. The family room is 8 by 12. We should know by now to find the area, you multiply the two numbers. 8 times 12, 96. That's why you need to memorize your 12s, your 12 facts. Which one is bigger? Family room is 96. Living room is 100. Living room is larger. You need to show your work. You can't just put living room as the answer. How in a square are a rectangle different? A square, all the sides have to be the same. A rectangle does not. Okay, last one. Let's see, which one? I think you should be able to do the Jonathan question. So look, it's the equivalent fractions. You can see this is going all the way to half. 1 out of 2 is half. A quick question, is 2 half of 4? Yes. Is 4 half of 8? So right off the bat, you should see those as equivalent. The only difference here is you're cutting the pieces smaller. You have more people at the party. Here you have 2 people at the party. So look how big that slice is. 4 people at the party. The pieces are just smaller now, so you have to cut it up more. Is the number lines, are they any longer? No. It's the same exact number line size-wise. So 2 out of 4, it's still the same amount of pizza. The only difference is you're adding cuts. Equivalent fractions is the same amount of pizza. You're only adding cuts. Look at this one. Instead of 1 big slice, you have 4 smaller slices, but it's still the same amount of pizza. You just have to eat 4 slices instead of 1, but you're eating the same amount of pizza. 1 out of 2, 2 out of 4, 4 out of 8 is all the same amount of pizza, just smaller slices. All right, hopefully that helps you with Q36 homework.